By combining this strategy with two special tools, you can walk where you create a strategy that you don't need others. This strategy can be done in 1 minute. The EMA cross-moving average indicator has an undeniable impact on the formation of other trading tools such as MACD or stochastic indicator. In the moving average indicator, prices are used as data, and based on the defined time period, an average of the price is calculated and displayed in the form of an analytical chart. Therefore, the moving average indicator is considered a trend-following indicator that shows a movement like a price chart. Due to the calculation difference, the exponential moving average is more sensitive to price fluctuations and shows a slower reaction than the simple moving average, which is one of the key differences between these two averages. Of course, it should be known that none of these two methods is superior to the other, and choosing one of them only depends on your strategy. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. Acts as a determination of support and resistance levels. Similar to other moving averages, the exponential moving average also acts as a resistance and support level for the prices of a financial instrument. Support levels, also called floors, are predetermined prices of financial instruments beyond which the price cannot fall. Conversely, a resistance level is a predetermined price limit of a financial instrument beyond which the price cannot rise, also called ceiling resistance levels. Sensitivity to price movements and trends. EMA is significantly faster than SMA in reflecting price fluctuations. Therefore, EMAs can identify trends faster than SMAs. Exactly the important things that I want to say now, that with this strategy, you should open and close a deal at any moment, when the 20 EMA line should reject the price and give confirmation. Let's take it into consideration, but the important thing that can be said about it is that when the EMA, we know what is going to happen when we look at the chart, we don't know what is going to happen. But in this opinion, it will help you to look at it in one way. Always try to find the trend first, then the important levels that have a lot of demand and supply. Next, look at your strategy. In the example, we put the important FIBO tool in the downward trend, and if it does not reach the price area with the FIBO tool, look for the FVG candle. This candle will find the reversals of a price and give you a signal when it pulls back and confirms the candle to our important range. They have the resistance for us, even if we draw a trend line, but make a mistake, this EMA 20 tells us. But one very important point that I knew, you don't know that when our EMA 20 moves away from the price, that distance is the amount of strength of our price when it is from the price. If it is too far, we know that a pump or dump is going to come in the direction of the trend. Only in 20 EMA, other EMAs are big or very small. On the other hand, a downtrend indicates that the shorter moving averages are crossing the longer ones. Conversely, an uptrend indicates that shorter moving averages are crossing longer moving averages. In this situation, short-term moving averages act as leading indicators, as long-term averages move towards them. The type or number of moving averages varies considerably between traders. These changes are mainly explained by different investment strategies between traders and the underlying security or index. EMAs are popular because they give more weight to recent prices and lag less than other moving averages. Some examples of typical ribbons have 8 separate EM lines, ranging in length from days to months. Trading, on the contrary, in this strategy is no different from its opposite. Only the rule that you should trade with is to try to put capital into a position that is very easy to manage, or have the mentality that you trade with low capital with risk. A lot of capital with little risk. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.